Hey friends, today we're talking about something that gets misunderstood a lot: creative burnout. When you stop creating, stop feeling inspired, and start thinking maybe you've just become lazy. But what if that's not true? Let me tell you about someone we'll call Net. Net used to be full of ideas, always planning, creating, and building. But lately, nothing was coming through. She would sit down to work and feel nothing: no inspiration, no drive, just heaviness. And instead of resting, she started criticizing herself. You're lazy. You're falling behind. You've lost it. But the truth was, she wasn't lazy at all. She was drained. Laziness says, I don't want to. Burnout says, I want to, but I can't access it right now. I've experienced this too, where I thought I needed more discipline, but what I actually needed was recovery. I kept pushing, trying to force inspiration, trying to stay consistent no matter what. But creativity doesn't respond well to pressure. It responds to safety, space, and rest. And I had to learn the difference between discipline and depletion. One of the things that helped me reset was writing without pressure. No expectations, no outcome, just expression. And honestly, using structured journals helped me reconnect with clarity without forcing creativity. If you're in that space, the journals and planners at info.brittanydanny.com/legacy shop can help you rebuild rhythm without pressure. Rest is not the opposite of discipline. Matthew 11:28. Come to me, all who are weary, and I will give you rest. Imagine a creative desk full of unfinished projects, slowly fading into clean, quiet space. Then a single notebook opening. Remember that burnout looks like laziness from the outside, but it feels like exhaustion on the inside. Also, remember that rest restores creativity. Remember that burnout is not laziness. Creativity shuts down under pressure. Rest is part of the process. You can't force inspiration. Recovery brings clarity back. Reflect on these. Where am I forcing creativity right now? What is draining my inspiration? What would rest look like for me? When did I last feel creatively safe? Friends, you're not lazy. You might just be depleted. And rest isn't stopping you, it's rebuilding you. Remember, this season I'll be posting every Sunday and Wednesday and more when I have time. Until next time, take care, and I'll see you back.